Hey there, folks. If you're looking to make your money transfers smoother and faster, linking your Visa card to Zelle is a game changer. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get set up in no time. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or sending cash to family, Zelle makes it simple and secure. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need a Visa debit card. Note that Zelle typically works with debit cards linked to a US bank account, and the Zelle app downloaded on your smartphone. Also, ensure your bank supports Zelle, as not all do. You can check this on the Zelle website. Alright, let's get started. Open the Zelle app on your phone and log in with your existing account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings or Manage Accounts section. Look for an option that says Add a bank account or Link a card. Select that, and then choose the option to add a debit card. Now, enter your Visa card details carefully. You'll need to input the card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Zelle might ask for additional verification, like a one-time code sent to your phone or email, so keep an eye out for that. After you've entered the info, hit Submit or Link Card. Zelle will process the request, which usually takes just a few seconds. If everything checks out, your Visa card will be successfully linked. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like your card not being accepted, it could be because of bank restrictions or if it's a credit card. Zelle only supports debit cards. Always use a secure network when doing this to protect your info. And there you have it. You're now ready to use your Visa card with Zelle for seamless transactions. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.